Welcome to Kabupaten Sidoarjo, the city that not only became famous as a Delta city, but also as the city of Urang and Bandeng. It is shown by the amount of the fish pond in Sidoarjo. Therefore, many people in Sidoarjo rely on fish farming, either working as a fisherman or fish pond owners. For instance, one of the villages in Sidoarjo called Kuchari stands for Kampung Caputuri. This village is located in Sedari district, which is known as a famous fishing place in Sidoarjo. What makes Kuchari unique is that most of its residents work to remove the thorn from bandeng before selling them at the market. Kuchari, also under the guidance of Pertamina Aviation Full Terminal Juanda, to run their corporate social responsibility. Therefore, Kuchari is committed to developing a zero-waste village where, for example, wastewater for washing bandeng will be processed and recycled for reuse. Since I'm committed to sustainability which align with Pertamina values, we are collaborating to establish a zero-waste village. In this initiative, we will utilize bandeng thorns to produce crackers.
Not only making crackers together, but we also training in packaging and also online sales. And here's the review.
With this innovation, we hope together we can accomplish the sustained tourism. Through utilization of thorn waste from bandeng into a creation that will help the local economy also actively to achieve sustainability development goals in 2030.